After stalking the bread aisle of several supermarkets, we realised that people seem hesitant to choose Vogel. What's wrong with the bread? Too heavy? Too small slices? Warburton's a safer choice? Observation of the day, only one person chose to buy a loaf of Vogel. How can we boost Vogel's profile? Vogel has some unique properties. It's heavier than other breads. It's stronger than your average slice of white. It takes its toppings well. It's durable and withstands extreme temperatures. Martin and Ollie found that in the supermarket aisle, the product could get easily lost on the shelves amongst the bigger brands. Therefore, they wanted to completely redesign the packaging. Their new look would make the product stand out better, get shoppers curious about it, and also cement Vogel's position as the very best bread to put in your toaster. The first print idea demonstrates that Vogel's makes the best toast. In fact, Vogel's is the toast your toppings crave.
The beat goes on. Drums keep pounding a rhythm to the brain. La-da-da-da-dee, la-da-da-da-da.
Print idea number 2 plays on the fact that Vogel's makes the toughest toast. In fact, it's fit for soldiers.